Here we are, and there's a police car parked in front of my friend Dave's house. And so, across the street is where we always park. Spot. And this is Dave's house here, where he rents out to the students. And his porch. This tree, everything's kind of closed up. There's some props for their movie, because we're in Whitaker. Here's the next door neighbors. Those are the anarchists. And here's Don in the movie, and Bernie, and Don. And there's, see, they have this special music over here. They always wear the black costumes over here. Oh, there's the police. Oh, God.